They were all waiting for a miracle. Crowds followed him everywhere. Some wanted healing. Some wanted answers. Some just wanted to see something extraordinary. But that day, something different happened. In a quiet corner of the town, far from the crowd, sat a man no one wanted to touch. Dirty, broken, rejected. For years, he had been ignored. People crossed the street to avoid him. Children were warned not to go near him. He had stopped believing anyone cared. And then, Jesus walked into the town. Not with guns, not with gold, not with power, just peace. The crowd surrounded him immediately. Teacher, healer, do something. But Jesus wasn't looking at the crowd. He was looking at the man in the corner, the one everyone else ignored. And slowly, he walked toward him. The crowd fell silent. Why would he go there? Why would he touch someone unclean? The man didn't even look up. He whispered, "Please, don't come closer." But Jesus knelt down anyway. He didn't stand above him. He knelt. And in that moment, the world changed. He placed his hand gently on the man's shoulder. No fear. No hesitation. Just love. The man began to tremble. Not because of pain, but because it had been years since someone touched him with kindness. Tears fell onto the dusty ground. And Jesus said softly, "You are not forgotten. Not be quiet. Not move away. Not you are unworthy. But you are not forgotten." The crowd watched. They expected a grand miracle, a dramatic sign, a display of power. But the greatest miracle that day was compassion. The man's posture changed. His breathing steadied. Hope returned to his eyes. Sometimes healing is physical, but sometimes it's knowing someone sees you. The crowd wanted spectacle. Jesus chose one broken soul. Because love doesn't follow the noise. It finds the forgotten. That man walked home differently that day. Not because the world changed, but because he knew he mattered. And maybe that's